Greetings. Query: what if makerspaces, entrepreneurship, and diversity had a baby? Well, guess what? It did. It's a Scorpio, and we named it I3. Actually, its full name is MSJC's Invention and Inclusive Innovation, an I3 learning community. Query: have you ever tapped into the limitless potential of your future? Are you looking to develop transferable skills that will serve you in any of your career endeavors? Do you want to apply your education to real-world challenges in a team environment? How about feeling seen and celebrated while building your resume and at the same time developing solutions to community problems? Well, you're in luck. We've got all of that, plus new worlds of entrepreneurial possibility, networking, and fun. Starting Friday, October 7th, 2022, we are hosting the first of many I3 workshops designed to help students unlock something special within themselves. This workshop is intended for students from all disciplines, programs, and majors. No experience is necessary. It's free. There's no commitment. You don't even have to like and subscribe. Just pull up and see what you think. Participants will be exposed to 3D printing, robotics, research, teamwork, laser cutting, milling, tailoring, and more. Did I say robotics? Cool. Now, whether you want to transfer to a university, secure your dream job, or build your own business, I3 wants to help equip you with the skills needed to succeed. With the use of small teams, personalized coaching from faculty, peer-to-peer learning, and community connections, MSJC's I3 workshops hope to facilitate a space for you to realize your capacity and be inspired to dream big.